Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here with an awesome bra fat workout. Sometimes we get that little bulge right here by our armpit. We're gonna work on tightening them with easy yet effective exercises. So let's get into it. We will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I talk you through what we're doing as I do it with you, and then set number 2 and 3. Less talking, more doing, just go straight through the routine. All right, starting with our first exercise, we have front and side raises. I'm already gonna start the clock, 30 seconds, all right? Nice, strong stance, feet hip width apart. We come up, front, and then side, all right? Now you can stop at shoulder length like I'm doing right now, or you can go ahead and come all the way up, all right? So 2 little choices there for you, but either one, we're gonna keep a nice straight back, okay? So we're not gonna be arching, all right? We're gonna close our rib cage, all right, and have a nice straight back, focusing on really tightening this area right here. Very good, nice bend in the knees, breathing. Very good, and 3, 2, 1, and release, shake it out. Next, we have an upright row, 30 seconds. We're gonna have our hands down here and then bringing it up, all right, squeezing here. So here our palms are facing us and we're coming up like this. Very good, squeeze, control, and then come down, all right? Our arms don't kind of flimsy up and down. It comes straight and down. Very good. Elbows come up to the side, so I have a nice straight line from elbow to elbow, and then down. Very good. Nice tight core, breathing. Ooh, you should already be feeling that burn a little bit. We're moving with intention. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Next, we have arm crossovers and arms out to the side, all right? And then one comes above and then switches below, all right? All the way out to the side. Remember not to opening that rib cage when we come out to the side. Keep it locked in. Very good, and switching arms. Awesome job. Breathing, having control. We're not swinging open like this. Remember, locking it in, keeping a straight spine, and squeezing our arms, squeezing our chest when we cross. All right, control when we open, and then repeat. Very good. Breathing, and 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Next, we have scissor arms, all right? So similar to arm crossovers, except they're gonna be shorter. All right, 30 seconds, palms facing up this time, and we're switching hands, one over the other, very fast and closer together. Instead of out here, we're nice and tight in here, squeezing your chest, going as fast as you can. Press your shoulders away from your ears. Try not to scrunch up. Very good. Breathing. Tight core. Your entire body's engaged even though we're only moving our arms. Very good. Nice bend in the knee. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very, very good. And that was it. Set number 1 of your bra fat workout. We're gonna take a second, grab water, breathe, and do it all again.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.
Alrighty, set number 2, I zip it. We just go straight through the routine. Remember those cues, good posture, tight tummy, squeezing as we move with intention. All right, big breath, starting with our front and side raises. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out, right into upright row. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Arms out to the side, forearm crossovers. Big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Big breath, scissor arms, palms up, let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out. Woo! Alrighty, I already feel the burn. Take a second, grab water, and then we're gonna crush set number 3. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out, right into upright row. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Arms out to the side, forearm crossovers. Big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Big breath, scissor arms, palms up, let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out. Woo! Alrighty, that was it. 3 sets of your easy yet super effective bra fat workout. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, what you think, what you'd like to see more of. Click subscribe, like the video, go check out the rest of the channel, and I hope to see you on the next one.